Well, I think it's very clear that everyone expecting a default. The only issue is that how big it will be and how long the process will be. So I think it's hard to estimate the size for now because given the size of the overall kind of debt and also the complexity of the debt structure, basically it's hard to say which part will be fully default and which part will be partially default and which part will go through some kind of other kind of a process to go through the debt restructuring. But I think one thing, according to the past experience, is that the overall debt restructuring will be taking a few years' time. So I think that's maybe somehow can be confirmed for now. So I think for the markets, this somehow means that these kind of annoying headlines will be there from time to time to dampen the market sentiment and also weigh on the overall economic performance in China. So I think, overall speaking, the volatility will be there and uncertainty will be there. Of course, we're from time to time, we will receive some policy tones from Beijing and also some kind of specific company news from different property names. But I think for the markets and the investors, these kind of things means that going forward, the way ahead will be still very, very rocky and bumpy in terms of the China overall property market and the property names.
So what does this mean for the broader Chinese economy, which we are expecting to see a slowing here, given that it is worth or makes up 30% of the Chinese economy? How big of a drag do you expect it to be, and what is your forecast for GDP for 2022?
Well, we are looking at 4.5% for 2022. I think we talked about this about 1 month ago. That at that time our forecast was 5%. So basically, you can see that we have revised down our growth forecast for China in the coming year. Basically, I think property slowdown is definitely one of the biggest concerns here. And in the meantime, of course, we see that the policy has been somehow, adjusted a little bit to help the market. But overall speaking, the property slowdown is already there in China. And according to the past path, generally speaking, it will take at least 4 to 6 quarters to see the bottom. So now I think we are still in the process or in the middle of the overall property slowdown. That means that, of course, despite the property and policy support, we are still have to go through a relatively difficult period in the next couple of quarters.
Hi, I'm Emily Tan, and thanks for watching CNBC. You can check out more of our videos by clicking on the boxes on the screen, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.